Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Mike Malbro, and in this video I'm going to share with you an affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners for 2018 and 2019. Okay, so before we get into it though, I want to go ahead and tell you guys I have something special for you if you make it to the end of this tutorial, so make sure that you stay here throughout the entirety of this video. Also, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If at any time you feel like you need to ask a question, make sure that you comment below and ask the question, and I'll make sure that I put something out to help you with whatever your situation is. So, this is what I'm going to tell you first, right? Before we go ahead and dive right in, all right? I started out primarily focusing on affiliate marketing the wrong way. And I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I did that were wrong, because it's what most people are being told today is like, this is how you go out there and get started. And it's 100% wrong. So what most people tell you to do is they tell you to come to ClickBank, right? And this is the first thing I did. I came to ClickBank, right? And I went to the affiliate marketplace, and this was years ago, so it looked a little different. And I found a product. Let's look in the arts category, right? So I found a product that I was going to promote, right? And this is what people said is like, oh, you make tons and tons of money promoting products from ClickBank simply because ClickBank products always make a lot of money. So what I did is I would scroll through and I would look at a product that has like a high gravity, something like this, right? And then I would click on it, look at how it worked, how it looked, see if it sold something that I thought was going to be interesting or valuable. And then I would go and buy an ad to sell people this product. And I would link them to my affiliate link directly from the ad, right? Now, the problem with that is the very first time I tried to do this, I had a product that I was promoting that was a stock picking robot, right? And I spent $36 and I made my first sale. And the sale that I made was $18. So if you can do math, you know that that's a failing business model, because you can't afford to continuously spend money to send traffic, right? And sure, I made my first sale, and that's what made me really stick with it, because I made a sale very quickly. But I had to move on to something else. So I came to another different training program or training course and another guru that told me, hey, this is what you do. You start a blog promoting Amazon products. So I came to Amazon and I found products. Let's say it's a bowling, a bowling website, right? So I started a bowling website, right? Because in reality, I started a football website, which is even worse, because so all I did was talk about high school, college, and pro football players. And I didn't know at the time, but I'll get into that in a minute. So what you would do is you would find something like this, right? It's a cool little product, or you might do something like, let me see. Oh, okay, this is perfect, right? You might do something like this, and you would find this product, and you would review this product. So you buy the product, you get it shipped to you, and then you show people, a review about your product. What a lot of these people would tell you to do is, oh, you don't even have to buy it, right? All you got to do is go to the reviews, right? And then take notes about what the reviews say, right? And I'm going to just scroll down to reviews. So I would just scan reviews, get an idea for what other people think about the product, and then I would write a review and post it on my blog, right? Obviously, you can make money doing that, and I made a couple of sales here and there doing that. All right, but the real problem is that you can start a blog doing that, and this is what happened to me. I made my first few sales, and I started making money online, and it was successful, right? For the first time ever, I'm like, wow, I'm really having success with this, and I was making a couple $100 a week, you know what I mean? Nothing major, and then all of a sudden, everything fell apart. And the reason why I found out later was because Google is notorious for updating the way that their search engine works And I went from being like number one in like 4 keywords to nothing, right? And my traffic dropped almost to zero. Wasn't making any more sales. All of my money dried up. And so I was back to square one, right? So while this can work for you and still works for many people, and all they do now is they do, instead of doing a blog, they do YouTube videos about these products. The problem ends up being that this and most other affiliate marketing tutorials out there teach you to start by focusing on, okay, find a product that people want, right? That people are already buying, promote that product, and then money will flow in, right? So the problem with that is that that's not 100% the way that it works. And after a time, I came to understand this, right? The most important thing about starting an affiliate marketing business, or any business for that matter, is having a system. When you start a business, the most important thing is not making money. The most important thing is having a system to where even if you don't make money immediately, or if you do make money immediately and then it dries up, you have a way to almost like pull yourself out of it. So what I learned is that you have to do some things a little bit differently, right? So let me show you just a quick overview of what you can do to make money online as an affiliate. All right, now this is my Pinterest account. I barely ever use this thing, but I need to show you what I have done so far. So let me just go to my my account as soon as this is done loading, because affiliate marketing, once you have the right system, is super duper easy. But if you don't have the right system, you're gonna have a hard time. You're gonna struggle, and most people quit because they follow the wrong system. And that's what I'm trying to prevent from happening to you, right? Is you want to focus on having a good system. So let me show you really quickly something that you would do, right? So you would do something like this, right? So this is an ad that I put up for an affiliate product, right? So this ad says free muscle building guide, right? How to lose 7% body fat in 57 days without losing any muscle, right? So what I'm doing is I'm targeting people who want to lose weight but don't want, or they want to lose fat, but they don't want to lose weight, right? They don't want to lose muscle by doing a lot of cardio and stuff like that. Also, I did these 2 ads right here. All right, and so let me just click this ad so I can show you what happens when you click this. Well, you know what? I already have the page up. So when you click this ad, you go to this page right here, right? And it essentially says free white paper, how to lose fat and build lean muscle in 57 days, right? And all you do is you put your email in and you click download. And once you do, this guide is there to help you build trust. So once you click download, you go to this page. Now this page, you can click download right here and download the guide, right? But first, and up high, I have a video that essentially explains like, hey, this is how I got the results. It was awesome. Everything worked out really well for me. And if you want to get the same results that I told you about earlier, download the guide below, right? But before you do that, I want to share with you what I'm working on now. And then I talk about the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing now is blah, 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 blah. And I think it'll help you too. So if you're interested in doing what I'm doing now, click this link right here. So guess what? What I did is I made an offer, right? I made an offer for you to go and check out what else I'm doing. So when they do, they go to a different page, and that page has an offer for you, right? So that offer is this right here, right? So this offer is essentially just a bottle of pills. It's a bottle of pills that helps you to get your results faster, right? But the most important thing that you have to understand is that this does a couple of things, right? So first, they click your ad, they download your ebook, right, or your guide or whatever you give away, and then they immediately see a video of you, or they get an offer to get something that pays them, or that pays you, right? So now, the most important thing to understand is that behind the scenes, right, even if they don't click over here to this thing, right, and then buy the product that we were promoting, it's okay. And the reason why is because when they entered in, when they click download right here, we actually were able to get their email address, right? Now we're able to contact them later on and sell them more things, because this lets us know one thing, right? No matter who they are, they're interested in losing fat and building lean muscle, right? They're not the type of person who wants to get thin. They're not the type of person who wants to look like a bodybuilder. They more likely want to look like a Hollywood celebrity type. You know what I mean? They want a body style. And so we can take what we already know about the people who sign up for this, right, and go on and email them later on in the future. So the way that we do this, just as a breakdown, is we get traffic, right? We get traffic through putting up content, whether that's on Pinterest or Instagram or having a blog or having a YouTube or what have you. It doesn't really matter. We just have to get traffic, right? And tell this traffic specifically what we are trying to offer them. So we don't want to talk a lot about how to, how to fix a car and then talk about building lean muscle. We want to talk about building muscle, burning fat. We want to talk about things that are specifically guiding them towards this thing right here, right? This muscle building guide, right? So then once we have them to come here, they're interested. They already know what you're talking about. Typically, you've already provided value for them. And now they're just getting something for free that adds more value to what you've been talking to them about. Then once they get to this page, you're telling them, hey, this worked great for me, and I want you to check out what I'm doing now. Then they click that, they buy, you make some money, and then you can sell them more stuff later as well. That's really the business model that everyone should be focusing on when they start an affiliate marketing business. Okay, now this took me 6 years. It took me 6 years to learn this, and I failed miserably for years and years and years and years. And I had some success over the time, right? But it always went away. And that's really why I'm sharing this with you, because I don't want you to fall into the roadblocks that I hit and not have to go through that. So if you are interested, right, I actually put this together and I show you step by step how I set all of this up, right? And if you are interested in doing that, I want you to click the link that is in the description to go check out my program called Starters Formula. And in Starters Formula, I show you how to get set up within 2 or 3 hours, right? I show you how to build a residual income in 48 hours or less from scratch. And then I also show you how to automate your long-term growing traffic, okay? So if you're interested, click and get that right now. It's called Starters Formula, okay? And it's in the description below. My name is Mike Malbrough. Be sure to subscribe to Wallet Reset. I'm going to continue to make more content like this in the future, so make sure you're subscribed and you get notifications. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.